I asked them, why are they not killing journalists? Because I saw journalists amongst them. I walked slowly. I found not less than 15,000 men sitting on an open field. As I walked closer, a leader of those people approached me and said to me, Mr. Malema, before you speak to us, we are asking for water. Since our people were killed, we have never drink water. There is no one who came to visit us. We can't speak properly because we are thirsty. There was no president to give them water. There was no minister to give them water. There was no mayor. There